Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas cake in a mug. So to start off with, we're going to place our black treacle into our mug, and this is super sticky, so just use your finger and wipe it off. Now the thing is also called molasses in the US. We're going to follow that with a bit of milk and also some oil, and then you're going to whisk those together with a fork. Now they might not come together straight away, but you want to keep stirring and sort of pressing the molasses into the liquids, and you should get this sort of vaguely mixed together stuff. We're going to follow that with our mixed fruit, along with our flour. Then I got some cinnamon, some mixed spice and some baking powder, and also a little bit of sugar. You're just going to stir that all through, and then once it's all thoroughly combined, you're going to microwave that for about a minute and a half on about 800 watts, and you should get this really nice springy cake. You want to microwave it until there's no wetness on top of the cake. Now you can eat this immediately if you want, and it'll be warm and delicious, but what I'm going to do is let mine cool down to room temperature, so it'll take about half an hour, and then I'm going to finish that with a quenelle of brandy butter. Aren't I fancy? And that's literally it. This is great for those times when you're really craving some Christmas cake, but you can't bother to spend 6 hours making a cake. If you do want to make a proper Christmas cake, by the way, you can click the link up there and it'll take you to all of my Christmas cake recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do give this recipe a try, please tag me on social media. All my social medias are here. You can give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed. You can subscribe if you're not already. You can click here to the last video and here to your video randomly selected by YouTube for you.